I don't have a CS degree. I'm not a developer. I didn't build an AI startup. I just learned how to use AI tools to automate freelance work that people pay for. Last month, I made $3,000. This month, I'm on track for $4,500. This video breaks down the exact system I use, the tools involved, and how you can replicate it starting today. Businesses need content. They need social posts, blog articles, email sequences, video scripts. Most can't afford a full-time writer or agency rates. Freelancers fill that gap, but traditional freelancing is slow. You write everything manually. AI changes the speed equation. You can deliver the same quality in 1/3 the time. That means you can take 3 times as many clients or charge the same and work less. Either way, the math is in your favor. I offer 3 services. Blog article writing, $150 to $300 per 1,500-word article, depending on complexity. Social media content packages, $400 to $600 for a month of LinkedIn or Twitter posts. Email sequence writing, $500 to $800 for a 5-email welcome or sales sequence. These aren't specialized services. Thousands of freelancers offer the same thing. The difference is I use AI to deliver faster without sacrificing quality. Speed is the competitive advantage. Step 1. Client briefs me on the project. Topic, audience, tone, goals. I ask clarifying questions to get specifics. This part is still human. AI can't replace understanding what the client actually needs. Step 2. I use ChatGPT or Claude to generate a first draft. I plug in the brief using the structured prompts from my last video. The AI spits out 80% of the content. It's not perfect, but it's a solid foundation. Step 3. I edit heavily. I rewrite awkward phrasing. I add examples. I inject the client's brand voice. This is where the value is. The AI drafts. I refine. Step 4. I run it through Grammarly and Hemingway for polish. Then I deliver. Total time, 2 to 3 hours for a blog post that would have taken 6 hours manually. ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro, $20 a month. I switch between them depending on the task. ChatGPT for short form and brainstorming. Claude for long form and research synthesis. Grammarly Premium, $12 a month. Catches errors and suggests tone improvements. Hemingway Editor, free. Makes writing clearer and more direct. Notion, free. I track clients, deadlines, and project notes. That's it. 4 tools. Total cost, $32 a month. Everything else is skill and process. I don't use Upwork or Fiverr. The race to the bottom pricing kills margins. Instead, I use 3 channels. Cold outreach on LinkedIn. I identify small businesses and startups that post inconsistently. I send a short message offering to help. 5 messages a day. 1 or 2 replies per week. 1 client every 2 weeks. Twitter DMs to people asking for recommendations. Someone tweets, "Anyone know a good writer?" I reply. Half the time, they're already flooded with replies. But the other half, I'm the only one who reached out fast. Referrals from past clients. Once you deliver good work, clients refer you. This takes time to build, but it's the most reliable channel long-term. I don't compete on price. I compete on speed and reliability. My rates are middle tier, not cheap, not premium. A blog post on Upwork might go for $50 to $100. I charge $150 to $300. Why? Because I deliver in 48 hours and the quality is consistent. Clients pay for speed and dependability. Cheap freelancers ghost. Expensive agencies take 2 weeks. I'm the middle option that actually works. Position yourself there. I don't tell clients I use AI unless they ask. If they ask, I'm honest. I use AI to draft, and I edit heavily to ensure quality matches your brand. Most don't care. They care about the result. I don't use AI-generated content without editing. That's lazy, and clients can tell. The AI is a tool. The value is in the editing, strategy, and client management. I don't oversell. I take projects I know I can deliver on time. Overpromising kills your reputation fast. Last month, 8 blog posts at $200 average equal to $1,600. 2 social media packages at $500 equal to $1,000. 1 email sequence at $600 equal to $600. Total, $3,200. Subtract $32 for tools. Net, $3,168. Hours worked, roughly 60, that's $52 hour. Not life-changing, but it's remote, flexible, and scalable. This month, I have 10 blog posts, 3 social packages, and 2 email sequences lined up. Projected, $4,500. The system compounds as you get faster and build referrals. Pick one service, blog writing or social content. Don't try to offer everything at once. Set up a simple portfolio. Write 3 sample pieces using AI. Edit them until they're great. Post them on Medium or LinkedIn to show your work. Reach out to 5 potential clients this week. Use the LinkedIn cold outreach method. Offer a discounted first project to land your first client. Deliver amazing work. Ask for a testimonial and a referral. Repeat, you'll have paying clients within 2 weeks if you execute. This isn't passive income. It's freelancing accelerated by AI. You still have to sell. You still have to deliver. You still have to manage clients. But the speed advantage is real. What used to take 40 hours a week now takes 20. You can double your client load or work half the time. That's the edge. AI didn't replace the work. It made the work scalable. Comment. Starting if you're trying the system this week, or already doing it if you're already making money with AI freelancing. Next video, Claude versus ChatGPT versus Gemini. I ran the same 20 tasks through all 3, and here's which one actually won. Subscribe to ToolStack. The best AI users learned faster.